When you buy quality seed, this is the type of color you might see in your seed packet. Don't be afraid. Many of our companies use pelleting to make sure that multiple tiny seeds can be seen easily when you sow them on soil. This one right here is probably a begonia, because begonia seed is super tiny. Moving on to something slightly larger, you'll see maybe petunias. These are easy to see against the soil with that bright yellow color. And then also, if you have multi-species, we can multi-pellets as well. You can see that beautiful color, and you might get several different types of lettuce, like simply salad. And of course, if you're sowing vegetables, you'll see them raw. Here's a tomato and pepper. And now you can see all the different ways that your seed might come in its packet. Some storage tips for these pelleted seed and coated seed: make sure you keep them dry because the coating comes off when you water. You also want to avoid fluctuations in temperature. So to make your seed last, keep them dry at an even temperature, a little bit cooler, and in their container.